Did you know you could actually make money online without selling anything? I'm going to show you a very simple idea most people are using to make money online. But the truth is, a lot of people do not want to do this because it requires action. So if you are ready to take action, then you are most likely going to start making money online if you implement what I'm going to show you in this video. The first thing would be to come to this website, and once you're here, you would click on this register button, and once you click on that, that's going to bring you here. You would have to fill in these details and create your account by clicking on the register now button down this page. It's worth noting that some of the details here are not compulsory. For example, you don't have to put in your company name, you don't have to put in your website link here, okay? But these ones that have these red marks are compulsory. You have to put those details into these boxes, okay? Looking at this Skype here, if you don't have a Skype ID, you could simply create a Skype account. There are a ton of video on YouTube showing you how to do that, and then you would simply copy your ID and paste it here and then create your account. So once your account is created, you would click on the login button. Once you're logged in, this is exactly how your dashboard is going to look like, okay? So the next thing would be to promote an offer, right? So this video is definitely going to show you how you can simply make money by promoting offers, right? Without getting somebody to buy anything, you're going to make money. To do this, what you're going to do is to come over here to that button right there. So if I have it zoomed in, I'm talking about this right here. So you click on that. So that's going to display all of these things here. So you're going to click on where it says my offers. Once you're here, the next thing will be to change your target country, and the reason you want to do this is to make sure that you get a higher payout. As you can see here, Nigeria gives a lower payout, so you would want to come over here to promote offers that are only available for US citizens. So you would click on this right here and select the United States. You're going to browse through these countries here to select the United States. You might go with the United Kingdom or any top tier country that could increase the payout here, okay? So I'm gonna go with the United States, and if I do that, so that's gonna bring you to this page. So what you're gonna do is to pay attention to the details right here. So if we come up here, we can see where it says type, category, title, description, payout, sort, and all of the other details here. So you want to pay attention to the category, okay? So if we look at this, you can see we've got email/zip submit. What does this mean? So what this means right here is that you're going to be promoting some of these offers right here, and once you can get somebody to submit their email, you are going to be paid the amount of money in front of each of these offers, right? For example, you can get paid $1.88, $2, 86 cents, $2, 5 cents. The question therefore is, which of these offers here am I going to be promoting? Okay, so you need to follow me in this video so you see the whole process, because this is not some crap that most people teach out there. If you follow what I'm going to show in this video, it is going to make you money, okay? So what you're going to do is to pay attention to all of this, okay? You can see the type, desktop, mobile right here, email, okay? So what I'm going to do in this video is to select this offer right here. You can see where it says desktop, okay, and then email. It says enter for $100 Walmart gift card. You can see right here, and once somebody submits their email, this email right here, I'm gonna get paid $1.37, okay? So that's exactly what you want to do, okay? So you pay attention to the amount of money in question, okay? So imagine if you could get 1,000 people to submit their emails, to submit their details. That's over $1,000, okay? And following the traffic strategy I'm going to show in this video, you are possibly going to make this amount of money if you take action, okay? So let's see how we're going to do this. So what you're going to do is to click on the offer you want to promote. So that's going to display this. So this is where you get to read more information about the offer. So if I click on this here, you can see it says enter for $100 Walmart gift card. This offer here is going to pay you $1.37 for each email that is submitted. And you can see that this offer is only for people in the United States. It says this offer is only allowed in the United States. Okay, so what you're going to do is to click on this copy link right here. So you have that link copied. Copy that link and save it somewhere. I'm going to ask you to make use of that link later on in this video. The next step would be to come to this app right here, which is simply an editing software that you could use to make videos. Okay, you can use it on your mobile device, you can actually use it on your laptop. Okay, so you're going to click on the new project button here. So that's gonna bring you here, and then you're gonna click on 9:16. Okay, because we want to make a video in here. So you click on that. So I'm using the paid version of this app, but you don't necessarily need the paid version. Okay, so what you would want to do is to click on where it says the stock video icon here. You click on that. So since the offer we're promoting has something to do with money, so you're gonna come here and search money. So once you have money displayed here, you can see all of these things here are all videos about money. So you're gonna basically browse through all of them to see the one you would definitely want to use. So for the purpose of this video, I haven't gone through all of this. I would want to use this one right here. So you're gonna click on it to download it. So once you have it downloaded, you're gonna click on it, and it's gonna drop down here. So let's do that. So we already have it here. So the next thing would be to edit this a little bit, and to edit this, you might want to add text to it. You might want to add a song to it. Okay, so what you're going to do is, if you want to add a text to this video here, you're gonna click on this button here. So that's going to bring you here. So you can also click on this again to go back. So that brings you to this place now. Okay, so what you want to do is to click on this overlay icon here. So you click on that. So you can see where it says test right there. So you have to choose the type of test you want to use for this video. You can see all of the ones you can use here. So let's say we want to use this one right here. You would want to click on it, and that's gonna drop it here. So now the next one will be to click on this title here, this one down here. You click on it, and then click on this icon here to write something. So the next thing will be to click on this pencil icon here, and that's gonna bring you here. So you're going to write something like, do you want to make money like this? So this is the test I have, and this is the test I'm gonna have display in my video. Okay, so once you're ready, you're gonna click on this button right here, and now we have the test in our video. Okay, so you can see the test is covering the money as the money is dropping in the video. This is a 7 seconds video. Okay, you can actually do more once you get a hold of the trick I'm trying to show in this video. Okay, so what you're gonna do is to click on this again, the text. So doing that is gonna allow you to drag the text up and down the video. Okay, so what you're gonna do is to drag this text somewhere up here. Since we're doing a vertical video, you drag it up somewhere there, and you could make it a little bit bold by extending it, okay, if you want to. The next thing would be to definitely find a copyright free song to use for this video, and to do that, you click on this and click on where it says music. So if you're using the paid version, so you can see a lot of free stuff to download here. So if you click on this right here, you're gonna see a bunch of songs here. All you have to do would be to simply click on any of them and download the song. You could also click on this place that it says Power Director, and you would have a bunch of songs to select from. Just click on any of them and you'll be able to download it. And once you're done, go back by using this button. And once you're here, all you have to do would be to simply check these folders here to see the song you've downloaded. Let's say you check the song here. Once you're in this folder, you would see the song here. Click on the plus icon and the song would drop beneath this video. So if we do that, boom, exactly like this. If you don't like the songs there, you could actually come to pixabay.com. Is an app you can download on Play Store, right? And search background songs here. You're gonna see a bunch of them here. Try all of them to see the one you like. Click on the download button. The song is gonna be downloaded, and then come back here to check this folder. So you're definitely gonna see the song. Tap on it and it's gonna drop down here like we said before. So what I can do now is to reduce the length of the song. So to do this, I can just simply click on the song and click on this pencil icon here, and then you're going to see where it says split. So you're going to click on that. But before you do the splitting, make sure you drag this playhead, this blue line here, drag it to the edge here. So I'm going to drag it to the edge here because I want to split it from that position. And then you're going to click on the split button. The song has been split into two, so you're gonna click on this part which you don't need, and then you are going to move to this delete button right here and click on that, and boom, and that's gonna delete the song. So the next thing you want to do is to click on the song again, and then you are going to go to this button here and click on that button, and then what you want to do is to click on the volume icon here. Then that's going to show you this right here. So you want to drag the volume here and bring it down. So now let's see our video, okay, so you can see what the video looks like. So once you actually understand this, you can actually create more interesting videos. So once you have this video created, the next thing will be to click on the icon right there. So that's going to ask you to select the resolution. So of course you would want to leave it on this one right here. So you click on that and then you click on the produce button, and then it's going to start producing your video. So the video is produced, and what are we going to do with this video? We're going to share this video, and where we're going to share it, you're going to click on the share button. So this video, you're going to share it on a number of places. You're going to share it on TikTok, you're going to share it on Instagram, you're going to share it on other social media platforms. You can also share it on YouTube. You create a YouTube channel and simply upload it as a shorts video. Okay, so but let's start with TikTok for the purpose of this video. So if you come here on TikTok, you can see a ton of people doing exactly what I'm showing in this video. A ton of guys are doing this, okay? So they are basically uploading short videos, getting traffic, and then linking people to their offer. Okay, so let me show you what you are going to be doing exactly. So for example, if we check this one here, this person here, they already have over 500,000 followers on TikTok. Okay, they make videos on how to make money, right? You can see it says here, I teach online side hustles on YouTube and Instagram. Okay, and you, of course, you can see a link to their store. So this is what you want to do. You're going to create a TikTok account. Okay, there are a ton of videos on YouTube teaching how to do this. If you don't know how to do it, it's simple. Watch one video on YouTube. You're gonna set up a professional TikTok account like this one. Okay, and once you have 1,000 followers, you'll be able to post your link. Okay, so the link I asked you to copy earlier on from cpagrip, you're going to link it to your bio like this. Once people click on this bio, it's going to take them to that offer, and then once they submit their email, you're going to be making money. So you can see what I'm showing you in this video. Somebody's already doing it, and not just this person here, there are a lot of people doing it. But the problem is most people are looking for shortcuts to success. There are no short roads to success. If you want to make money online, you're going to have to learn any of these processes and take action, okay, and build it as a business over time. And that's what this lady has done here. Okay, so you can see she has more than 500,000 followers, over 9.8 million likes, and you can see she is getting a ton of views, 468,000 views, 257,000 views. Okay, and now if we check out this other person here, you can see they already have over 22,000 followers, but this person here is leaving money on the table. Okay, you can see there is no link here to any offer, and this is exactly what you wouldn't want to do. Okay, once you create a professional profile like this, the offer, okay, the link I asked you to copy earlier on, you're gonna paste it here. Okay, there are videos showing you how to do this. Okay, so once you have it pasted, you are going to get a lot of traffic to those offers. You can see here she is getting 12,000 views, 9,000 views, 15,000 views, and this one here is close to 1 million views, and there is no link to direct them to anywhere. Okay, she says how to easy make 100% passive income. She's actually doing what I'm saying, but she is leaving a ton of money on the table. So this is one way to start making money. You need to grow on a social media platform, get a ton of followers, drive traffic from that social media platform to your affiliate offers, and you will start making money online. Okay, so if you enjoyed this video, please make sure you take action and share it among your friends. So this is Briggs LBs, and is your guy Ken signing out.